Ah yes, the Mavic Mini motor covers, made out of aluminum. Well, I saw these and I thought they were a great idea. Who doesn't want to keep dust and dirt out of their motors? Heck, they even claim to be waterproof. They come in two different colors, red and black, and I chose black. I thought they were the perfect solution. Stick around and find out why you shouldn't use these little things.
Please subscribe and click the notification bell.
The Mavic Mini is the lightest drone around, coming in at 249 grams. When you put these motor covers on, you're instantly changing that weight. Not to mention that it's a hassle to put them on. I noticed absolutely no difference when I first put them on. The drone flew exactly the same. It wasn't until I took it outside where I really put it to the test. That's when I noticed a problem. Here I am in Elk Park, elevation over 6,000 feet. Everything was going fine. I had a little bit of hiccups on the flight, flew over a mile away. But right towards the end, as soon as the low battery kicked in, I completely lost my FPV. I was next to a metal shop, so I thought maybe that had something to do with it. But I wasn't sure. I had my suspicions about those motor covers. So I decided to give them a chance, and I kept them on. I took them on another flight. The same exact thing. As soon as the low battery hit, it just went haywire. I completely lost my FPV and got totally disorientated. However, it didn't affect the SD recording, so it had to be a transmission error. Maybe if they made these things out of plastic instead of aluminum, you wouldn't have that problem. But for now, don't use these things. I have one accessory that I will stand behind though, and that's these rubber prop guards. They're kind of nice. They keep your props in shape and they still fit in the case. That was my one complaint when I first got this drone, is I kept messing up the props when I was putting them in the case. The Mavic Mini is a beast, and I really don't have many complaints about it. But that brings me to this next article that I saw, where the props are actually hitting the Mavic Mini. So as you pick up speed or whatever, it actually clips the frame of the drone. I'm hoping this is just a few isolated incidents, but I'm going to leave a link to the article in the description below. However, there must be more than just a few, because they've already got a solution out there. These raised prop motor covers. You can find these on eBay or Amazon, and they're not really expensive. Neither were the motor covers that I put on, but if they're selling these, then there must be a problem. And so far, all I've seen are aluminum covers. Maybe if they just make them out of plastic, you wouldn't have interference problems. But that's all I've seen so far. If anybody else has had problems with interference with these motor covers, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I hope this video was useful to some people, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.